So by now, hopefully you have or will take the mass, determine the percent error and the purity with the TAs. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to edit for tomorrow's wet lab, the procedure and the materials, as well as insert pictures, data, that kind of stuff. Okay, so you don't have to redraw or rewrite or retype any of the materials that you're going to use again. But if you want to add any modifications, do so in blue text. So what it'll look like is you'll have your gray text from the previous trial, and if you want to add anything, add it in blue. So use the blue font. Also remember if you want to remove any of the materials or procedure, use the strike through. All right. Also, we want to add data. So when you're adding stuff to this data table, whether it be quantitative or qualitative from trial 1, you're going to keep it in black text. You also want to include the picture with the sticky note with the scores for the purity as well as the percent yield. And then also feel free to do the calculations as well, calculating both percent yield and percent error for trial 1. Because this is for trial 1, it'll be done in black text. So data table calculations are going to be done in black text for trial 1. Anything pertaining to trial 2, whether you want to change the procedure or the materials, go ahead and put that in blue. Okay, and then Thursday is a wet lab day, and so that'll be your last opportunity to do a second experiment.